Hi everybody, this is Mennonite Prepper. I'm doing an unboxing of a Harvest Right freeze dryer. Looking forward to using this. So this is the main freeze dryer unit. We decided to pick teal because, well, I have girls in the house and they like teal, so we thought it was better than red or black, which always would be dirty. Front door. Digital pad down on the bottom. And it's got the hookup for the pump on the side here. Drain valve, where the water goes after it's frozen. And we've got all the accessories, hopefully, that showed up. And we've got the oil in the trays. I've got the medium-sized machine, so you get 4 trays in it, and they're a little larger than the other one, so you can get, I believe, 6 to 12 pounds of food in every time. I also ordered a second set of trays so that I can keep the machine going a lot faster. The liners, they're washable, made of silicone, just so that we can don't get all the sticky goo on the bottom, and so you can clean them easier. There's the door pad, goes in there. When you're freezing, keeps the cool air in a lot longer, so it doesn't take as long to freeze everything down to, I believe it's -30 or -40. The pump uses oil, and this is the filter system that they've made for it. So what happens is, over time, water will get trapped in the oil, food contaminants, etc., and it'll wreck your pump over time. So you gotta clean your oil. Most of the time, recommended to clean it every use. Just your power cord for the hookup from the machine itself to the pump. Pump itself. The vacuum pump. Nicely packaged. Harvest Right always seems to have sales on. Their sales usually include a sealer and bags and everything. So a medium-sized mylar sealer. A good mylar sealer, which I've been needing, and then they give you some starter bags as well as your oxygen absorbers as well to start with. To get you hooked on the product so that you buy more of there. And the owner's manual and the guide to freeze drying. They're pretty good though. They send you this stuff beforehand after you've actually purchased. Like any freezer, you gotta let it sit 24 hours after shipping to let the argon and everything in it to balance out, so you don't have any pockets or any problems that way. Like the Mennonite Prepper, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll have more updates on this in the weeks to come, showing you how to do different things and our successes, and hopefully not too many failures.